Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with TuxedoPlanners, and today I'm back with you with a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of July 15th through the 21st. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's see how this turns out. Alright, so we're going to get started. I've already outlined my basic outline for my Hobonichi here that I normally do every week. I'll be using this cute little weeks kit from Sparkly Paper Co. And I like it. It's got the large washi, which of course you know that I like. Then I've got a variety of some planner Kate, some of my personal stickers, a couple extra Once More with Love, just some little odds and ends that I may be able to use. So we're going to go on and get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is lay down my large washi on the bottom. And I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today I'm filming this on a Sunday. And not much going on in my neck of the woods. Still pretty early in the morning, so I thought I'd get this filmed and done for you guys. So I'm going to do one more plan with me when I'm finished with this one in my Erin Condren vertical planner. So stay tuned for that one as well. Anyway, I hope, now if you guys caught my video when I did my plan with me, I posted it yesterday. My plan with me with my weeks, not my weeks, my Erin Condren Petite planner. Trying to see how this goes. Does it go this way? Looks like it goes this way, so I'm going to put it this way. I don't know if that's how it goes, but that's the way I'm going to put it. And I talked about the fact that I'm thinking I'm going to probably at the end of this year, because I was thinking about my planners for next year, I don't think I'm going to go back into a Hobonichi. Now, I will keep my Hobonichi Cousin Avec for my journaling, because I do enjoy that. But I'm probably not going to keep a weeks, because what I found, even with my business, this is just not enough room for me to keep the weeks. It's just a really small, and not that I have a bunch of stuff that I'm doing, of course, because you know I don't have that active of a lifestyle, but it's just too much. It's just not enough room, and it's just too much to keep up with. So I think I'm going to let the weeks go. I would probably go on and do it now, but as I said in my last video, I don't want to do that because I'm just going to outline these to make them stand out a little bit more, and I'm using the Erin Condren designer gel pens here. And as I was saying with the weeks is that I don't want to waste it, so I'm not going to get out of the weeks now, because I just don't like wasting things. And I feel like if I did that, that would be wasteful to me. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it for the year, for the rest of the year. And I just laid my weekend sticker down. And I'm going to put the work boxes in every other one here. And I think I'm going to put some checklist in, and I don't think I'm going to do the weather this time. I think I'm just going to run some checklists down here. Probably start right here. Anyway, so, yep, so that was my decision. Have you guys started thinking about what you're going to do for your planner? I know it's July, but before you know it, it'll be here. And I think the new Hobonichis come out sometime in September, I believe. I'm not sure about that, but I think it's sometime in September. And like I said, I probably will definitely keep the don't think, I'm going to see if I can fit one more. Yeah, I might be able to fit one more there. Okay. And then these two I'm going to put on the weekend since I didn't have a box for the weekend. So I'm just going to put these down for the weekend. But I'm just finding that this is, I've tried using it. I've tried loving it. But it's just not working for me. So I'm going to let it go. Now I do have one that I keep for my work planner, which is this one. And I haven't really decorated much in this one, even though it looks pretty, it's getting pretty chunky, but I really haven't decorated that much in it. But, so I'm not sure about that one. All right, so let me go in and put in what I do. So Mondays is, now this Monday, I'm probably not going to get to do the laundry that day. So I'm probably going to put the laundry on for Tuesday because I have errands I have to run on Monday. So I'm going to put the laundry there for Tuesday. I'm actually going to put these little Mickey heads down because, you know me, got to have a little Disney in my thing. And I think I'm going to do one of these cute little Marie stickers, and you'll find her in my shop if you're interested in getting cute little Marie stickers for your planner. I have those in my shop as well. I also have her sitting down, a big one, so I'm going to put a big one down there. And this is on glossy, but yeah, I'll put her down there. She's a cutie patootie. Probably will get around to doing my sheets, all the housework on Tuesday. So I'm going to put my fold sheets down. That's fold laundry, fold the sheets. I got that. The payday is on Wednesday, so I'm going to take one of my payday flags. And if I can get it off the paper. And maybe I'm not going to get it off the paper. These were miscuts I had from my shop, so that's why it's not wanting to cooperate with me. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm not going to do that. Okay, let's see if I can put any of these down. I'll put a little cleaning sticker there as well. These are some leftovers I had from Nikki Plus 3, the flower market kit I did in my Erin Condren, so I'm just going to put that down. I think we're going to have to pick up my son's van on Wednesday. His van was in the shop, so I'm going to put a van sticker. I'm going to put a car sticker there. We have to pick that up on Wednesday. All right. Etsy, I do need to work on my Etsy, and I'm probably going to also do that on Tuesday. And then I need to do some computer work. That'll probably be due on the weekend. So let me put a box here for that. So that I need to film. Let's see, let's try the purple gel pen here. And that would be for me to film there. And I'm probably going to film also on Sunday as well. So I'm going to put another one there for Sunday. And this dark color goes well with that. And put filming down for there. I'm not sure if I'll get to film during the week, so I'm going to go on and put that down. And let's see. That. All right, so we got all those stickers. So I'm just going to move these out of the way. And so I have some room on my desk to work. All right, so this is where we're at so far. And I've got some larger stickers here. Let's see if I've got anything I can use out of this. There's a couple of these cute little stickers. Let's put some of these down somewhere. These I got from my daughter. She got them in a box, I think. Just put some cuteness down on my paper. Okay, so we got that. Let me see if there's anything in this stack that I can use. These are my extras that I have. Not exactly Hobonichi friendly, but you never know. I think I can put this flag down from my Simply Gilded box. And let's put that in a large box here for Wednesday. And gonna put that there. And just write pay. And I'm going to put errands down as well because I have to run errands on that day. Okay, so I got that. And let's see if there's anything else I want to put down out of this. I'm going to use an appointment label for Monday. I think I'm going to use this beige one that you can see it a little bit better. And my husband has a doctor's appointment on that day, so doctor, I think that's at 4 p.m. And then we have to go to, going to take my son-in-law to the bank. So we got to go to the bank. Doctor appointment. And you've noticed that I'm also taking out my weather, seeing if that will help with giving me some more room that I can use. All right, so I got that. I'm probably going to put a planning time down for Sunday. Because that's when I usually do that at. Let's see, that's that kid. This is just some Erin Condren stuff. I don't think that's going to go, so let's move that out of the way. Here's some icons we can use. And we're going to put down the Sunday is trash day. Then I have a little grocery shopping cart there for that. I think that's it for that. Let's see, games, clean Netflix, bill due. I think this is just big kid stuff for big kids. These are for big kids, not for little kids. Alright, so I'm not finding anything else. I do need to find a header. Let's see if there's a header in any of these kits that I can use. And I don't think there is. Oh, you know what? Here's some. I think what I'm going to, let me just write that right there because I'm going to put a to-do sticker down. Let me put the dates in this. I have some leftover dates from this Terran Sticker Shop kit that I used. I think I'm going to go on and put these in because these are easier to read than my handwriting. Those little circles are so tiny that I couldn't even see them to get the writing in there. So, 19th. So we're just going to put these in real quick. And I think I'm missing the 20th and the 21st, I've noticed. I don't know where that's at. I must have used those somewhere else, so we'll just leave those written in. But as long as I can get some of this where I can read it, I'll be okay. All right, so here we go. And get the 17th in. I think that's it. I don't think I say, yeah, I don't have the 20th, and so that's okay. All right, so we got that. And I said I didn't have any of the headers, so we're going to use this little things here from a Cocoa Daisy kit leftover that I had. And I'm trying to use up some of my kits. I might make a shopping list in this one, so I'm going to do a shopping list for these guys down here. And as you can see, this is from March because it says Hello March. Kind of like this, you've got this sticker. This week's going to be a rough week on me, so I definitely need to know that I've got this. I can do this. I've got this. Oh boy. Alright, so I think the only thing left for me to do is go in and put in my schedules. Alright guys, so I do have a lot of little boxes left over. Probably going to put a box in for Thursday. And I'm going to put sprinkle these little boxes throughout. And probably put one on that day. And I got one other little one here. And I have these cute little bow tags that I'm going to put down for that one. And I'm going to put a bow tag there. And I'm going to put a bow tag there. Wait a minute. There we go. And then I'm going to put a bow tag here to remind myself. All right, so we've used all the kit. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I think I'm going to start keto. I'm going to put a little flag here, and I'm going to write keto down because I think I'm going to start the keto diet tomorrow. So I think I'm going to start that. I've had gastric bypass surgery. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. I'm sure I've mentioned it in my past videos, but I have about 30 more pounds to lose. And I'm about a year out from surgery, so my weight loss is kind of slowing down. So I think I'm going to try and kickstart it again with some keto and see if that will work for me. Oh, I do have a next week sticker. Let me use that. I'm going to pull this one up. Hopefully it's not too late. There we go. And I'm actually going to put this one here. Anyway, so I'm going to see how the keto is. I'll keep you guys posted on that because I know they recommend keto for bariatric patients. So I think I'm going to try that. All right, so here's what I've got so far. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to put my husband's work schedule down. I'll go in and I'll make my shopping list of what I need. I'll write my next week's stuff down. Actually, I'm probably going to move this because I'm going to have a large shopping list. I think I'm going to put next week down here. So I usually don't pre-plan my next week too much. So if I have anything to come up, I'll just right there. You'd think with these lines I'd be able to put a sticker on straight. Okay, so we have some basic stuff here, and then I'll go on and I'll do the rest. And then some things that I need to do here. And I do need to do some errands on Wednesday. And some groceries. I need to go and do a grocery run for keto. One thing about keto, it can be expensive. All right, guys, I think that's it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. And if you have, please think about subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. And with that, guys, I am off until next time. So I will see you later. Bye, YouTube. Take it easy.